Hi guys, welcome back. This video is to show you, for Not Just for Boys Kit Club, the page kits by Meridy, cut files, mixed media goodies, finishing touches, acrylics, wood veneer, all kinds of the lovely goodies that you can find in the store for this coming month. Did I say it was for August 2021? I hope I did. So let's take a look. This is the page kit by Meridy, and I want to get a good look at what's in here. All right, and what you'll get with this, and you know, I'm sure Paula and Meridy are way better at this, but you get enough supplies in here to make a 2-page layout with full directions, usually a little video that goes along with it so you can have your directions next to you, but also see how it's made. They are just amazing. So let's see what Meridy has come up with for us. So the first paper, I already am dying. It is called White Brick Wall by Ella and Viv, and it is literally a painted white brick wall. I'm telling you guys, I could use 90 of these for backgrounds. And this is a one-sided paper, and we have 2 of them. So I'm wondering if those are going to be our backgrounds. Ooh. Then next, ooh, this is gorgeous. This is from Minte, and it's from the Suntastic collection. Does it have a name? Does it have a name? I have a product code. Do they name themselves? I think there's a product code. That's how it is. Okay, so this side is a whole scene. We've got a little Vespa or moped, depending on what you call these things, cactuses, really cool shutters, and all kinds of floral bits. Oh, a little bit of luggage, so it seems rather travel related. And then this side looks like a stucco wall in close-up. That is very, very cool. And I don't even know what the A side is and B side is. No idea. Okay, there is a piece of white smooth cardstock. Great. And then this piece right here is from Bo Bunny, Something Splendid. It's called, let's see, mix paper. Does it have a name? Oh, Something Splendid Swell. So it looks like repeating tile on this side, really great turquoise and aqua print. And then this side, oh, this is such a useful background. Can't wait to see what she does. So it's almost the vibe of notebook paper, but we have yellow and turquoise involved. And then it looks like maybe some smoosh technique, and guys, that is pretty awesome. Okay, don't know what side we will be using. And then this piece right here, this is from Minte Papers again, the Suntastic line. And these are all kinds of pieces that you can detail cut out and just go off on your stuff. Look, there's little beach houses. Oh my gosh, these things, guys, these things kill your ankles when they slap back around. Very dangerous toys there. Scooters. More beach houses here. We've got all of these gorgeous flowers. I don't know if those are cactus flowers or not, but they look like it. Some succulents. That looks like a hens and chicks, I think. I don't know, guys. I know people will correct me. Please do. I have no idea what I'm talking about. Nice seashells, all that kind of stuff. And then the back side, oh, it looks like a stucco wall again, but more in a white, not like cream, but like off-white kind of thing, like how, you know, stucco would get. So it looks a lot like this kind of vibe. And remember, this piece is more of that terracotta kind of stucco color. So very, very cool. What else do we get with this? We have an alpha sheet. They are from P13, Love and Bloom collection, and they are a flat gray kind of alpha, smaller alpha, so you can get some really good mileage out of those. So we have that. And then we finish up this page kit by Meridy with these great finishing touches. These are half pearls. And there's a peachy tone, a pearl color, as well as the world's best aqua color that is in here. And I believe they're 2mm, 4mm, and 6mm sizes. And these things, I don't know how they get them in there. There are so many in here. So that is the page kit by Meridy. Let me scooch that to the side. really quickly. Next, I will show you cut files for the month, and all of them come with a piece of cardstock behind them. This one reads, hooray, super easy to back. Those would be just the cutest little shaker pockets. So we have that one. I know there's a little glare right there, guys. Even if I do that, you just get a glare again. So sorry. Maybe I will move my light for right now. This is my favorite. This has lemons and leaves, and it's gorgeous. It goes perfectly with our main kit, the premium kit of the month. This reads Star, so that's perfect for the Galaxy Far, Far Away collection. Oh, and a big old star. That is awesome. Ooh, that would be a really cool template for some of the papers in either collection. That's cool. And then finally, this has a really great cursive font, and it reads Selfie. So those are absolutely awesome. And then let's see, next. I've got 2 different pieces from Pretty Little Studio, Fun in the Sun, and these are summer words. Word flag cut-aparts. All kinds of super bright colors, and quite frankly, they're like summery words. Although best days you can use whenever, let's have fun whenever, wild and free whenever. But then there's hello summer, sun and sand. I see you with the word SEA, salty but sweet. So super awesome, mostly summery words, but you know, kind of not too. And then these are summer word stickers. So, oh, it's so pretty. And guys, there's pretty good packaging in here too. I always look at the packaging and I'm like, oh, that's awesome, that print. So little words, they are white with black writing, summery, sunshine, tropical, bikini, picnic, seashore, sunscreen, surf. So really good summery words in a super easy font. All right, what to show you next? Okay, mixed media goodies. I have 2 creamies from Shimmer's Paints. The first one is called Dandelion, and it's like the perfect mac and cheese kind of color. So it's right between yellow and orange, and I do love this color. Just use a little bit of water to activate it, a couple, gosh, less than a minute before you're ready to use it, and it'll be good to go. And then this creamies is called Lettuce Get Together, with the word, you know, lettuce, like, okay. And it is a very nice, vibrant, gorgeous green. Now, with these products, you can deepen them. You know, you can use them, you know, layer them and get different tones, and you can get all this texture just with one of the colors. They're awesome. All right, next, let me show you Sequins. This one goes with our premium kit. Guys, look at those big lemon pieces in there. I just can't. Oh my gosh. Guys, they're so cute and they need to be seen. They just do. They're absolutely gorgeous. So we have these little lemon bits. I see some smaller ones in there. I'm just absolutely smitten with them because they're like the world's coolest enamel dot. And this shows you the colors a little bit better that are in there because the lemons are on top. So we've got a nice mid-tone blue. We've got some wood grain colors, a gorgeous green, some lemon yellow, and white. So super awesome. And then to go with a Galaxy Far, Far Away, I love these little jars too, by the way. Great to reuse in case you need to later. My daughter has one right now. She has lip stuff in it. Anyway, so big giant black stars that are adding this massive punch. We have a reddish orange, a really nice pop color orange, black and white wood grain, or is more of a gray and white, blue and white sequins. And I'm going to tip it over so you can see the other side because I know those stars are really big. Oh, this has a lot more of the orange that you can see. So absolutely gorgeous, different size sequins in there, and it's going to be fun to play with those. Next, let me show you I have 3 sets of the finishing touches. And in all these different sizes, like we've talked about, this is a gorgeous lemon yellow. So it's kind of cool. Like if you collect these as you go along, it's kind of like enamel dots. You will just have all of these great colors and you can play with them. This is this really gorgeous pale pearl green. Oh, so pretty. And it's going to add that nice little shine and dimension. And then this is a nice deep royal blue. Guys, look at that. So pretty. And I mean, I love navies and deep blues because it seems like collections kind of shy away from them a bit. Okay, and then finally, acrylics and wood veneer. Yay! All of them have this really great packaging. So these wood veneer have masking on them, which what that means is you can just take off like the bit around the lemon and paint just the lemon in with your handy dandy paints. And then you peel off all the rest and that will be the bright color that you see. They're very, very cool. I've seen some that Paula and Meridy have put up videos on them, and I saw one, was it Meridy that did it? She did it with Distress Oxide inks, I believe, with this and peeled off different pieces. Absolutely stunning. Oh my gosh, it was so pretty. Because then you get like some of the wood grain beneath it and some of the color. Super awesome. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I have a die cut pack to show you. Oh, I didn't realize it. Okay, so these clearly go with a galaxy far, far away. So these are lightsabers, and you put one of the lightsaber pieces onto the handle, and you have yourself very cool embellishments. They're acrylic and awesome. So the blue has sparkle, the green is like a frosted, and the red has kind of like this frosted kind of deal, but they're translucent. We have that. These are the bomb. So that same sparkle blue that you saw in the lightsaber, we have a star, jet black stars, as well as this super cool gray. It's a really cool finish on it. Gray stars. I'm so excited. I'm like, next. Okay, next. So every month there is this shape in some way, like with a different word on it. This time it reads snapshot, and there are 3 cameras. Let's all just look at them for a while. Let's just enjoy them. They're awesome. All right, and then let's go to some of my favorites. These are acrylic lemon wedges, guys. So very bright lemon yellow. We've got a gorgeous frosty limey green. And then this is like a pearly, super pale yellow. And the little sections in between, you can switch them out to give you different variations. They're so cool. And then I'm smitten with these. So that's that same really pale, pearly yellow, bright lemon yellow, and then of course, this frosty lime green little lemons. They're so cute. Okay, now finally, guys, I feel like a spaz. I'm just talking so quickly. Let me get the piece of white paper that's from the page kit by Meridy to show you the final thing. These are Pretty Little Studio from Chasing the Sun orange soda tag die cuts. And if you don't like to watch all the die cuts, that's what they look like. So let me pull them all out. There are 17 of them in here. So once again, such great pops of color to use. So we've got all of these cute little tabs. Okay, there's 3 little tabs. So pretty. Oh, these are the cutest little banner pieces. They're little. So cute. The story, good vibes, and hi. And little banner pieces. Cute. And then this is much bigger. It's a great journaling spot. And I don't know if you can see it, but there's really fine lines on it. Or am I just seeing it? I think there are very fine lines on it. Ooh, a nice journaling tag. This reads summer, and it's got a super light grid on it. Oh, look at this journaling spot. We've got the camera, and you can put one of those little acrylic cameras right next to it to repeat. And it has a tab. Journaling spot here with a nice little drinky poo and funky frame around it. Oh, that gives me ideas. Let's go tag. This cute. Oh, and guys, these tags, you know how your kits come with twine? You already have twine that's ready to go with your tags. Like, absolutely awesome. Ready to go fun. Okay, so we have this piece. This cool piece right here looks like a ticket. A nice banner bit. Nice journaling spot. And then finally, a nice square journaling spot. That's it. That's it for my 3 videos, guys. So if you guys have any questions, comments, blah, 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 you know, all that kind of stuff, leave them down below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But I'll also have the links to our Facebook group, to the blog, as well as the website, so you can get your hands on these goodies as soon as possible. All right, that's it for now, friends. Bye-bye. I'll be back ever so soon with another video.